You see it?
He's in the second to the bottom, right?
He's in the second bottom?
Yeah, second to the bottom. Alright, now lift it up. Okay.
Oh, it's right there.
Come here.
Turn the light on.
There he goes. Come here.
Alright, buddy.
Come here.
It's scared. Es un gato que está corriendo, lo quieren agarrar.
Get out.
Now he's coming back to you. Oh!
It's running over there.
There we go. Yeah.
Alright, towards him with that trap, right? Alright.
Try to see if he'll chase you this way.
There he
Go way
goes.
out this way.
Oh, he's stuck in there.
Alright, where's that?
Come over here. Right here, buddy. Right here. Next one.
Come on.
Come on. Okay, you can grab it right there. Okay, you got it. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Man, look at that. There was
I took the
Ahí
poison
está, ya
out
lo
of
agarraron. Ahí
it.
está el gatito.
Here's the
Oh,
lock.
man. That's cool, man. You saved a
It
life.
goes, slides through like that, and then this latch.
You got somebody out there to let us in, right?
I told them stay right here.
Josh?
Kathy and Mark were looking at us, so
Pobre gato, pero
You don't have to lock it. That should be.
Yeah, he's not gonna get out.
there.
Okay. It's captured now.
Kinda cute.
Open the door! Die, it's awesome.
Yeah. I could have shut it up.
Alright, right in front of you is the
Well, here's
You needed a new cat. I know.
Oh, man. It's cute.
he's wilder than hell.
Yep. Well, right now he's just scared as.
You would be too if you had to ride.
Oh,
this
yeah.
for how
I
many
know.
miles?
I bet there's a whole family of them.
Yeah, I found him. He was like 3/4 up in there. At first, he was facing away from me, so I was like, "What the hell is that?" And then he turned around. I was like, "It's a kitten."
If it was hypoallergenic, I'd take it home.
I want to take it home. I'd put mine down, but I know my wife. We're trying to sell the house. We
Yeah, that one's gonna require some work.
Yeah.
That's a good cat there. You put it out. in the
My
barn.
kid's allergic to
Outside.
I've caught one like that before and tamed it, and it ended up being a pretty good cat.
Oh yeah, you just got to have it around you for a
Yeah,
while.
and they get it settled down. And
That's what I was gonna. I was gonna.
Are you?
If you take it home, what name you gonna put him?
I gotta.
What name you gonna put it?
What name?
My name, yeah.
Oh man, I'm crazy probably. Scrappy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's a good idea to put that name. All right. Yeah, exactly.
There.
Okay. We got a video, man.
Was it a boy or a girl?
I didn't check. John's the one that had him.
John was over there trying.
It's kind of scary to grab it because it bite.
I tried to, but because he was
Yeah.
when he was in the pallet because he couldn't do anything.
I
Over
know.
there, I touched his paw.
I've seen a cat get in here. I've been catching
Possums.
possums.
We caught a lizard the other day.
Oh
Oh, yeah?
A
There was a lizard on one
Oh,
of the
no
boxes.
kidding.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you remember, but I had that family of hot babies. Yeah. And then I killed one. Got killed. I don't know if I killed it or they killed it. And then
Come on,
I was like,
come
what the hell?
down.
I don't know the rest of the truck's mother was in there too, so I grabbed the box and then put the babies in it, put it up against like 2 rolls. So and then mom went in there.
If I have food, I'd give him food. I'm sure he's hungry.
He's hungry probably.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
on Facebook, we're picking him up by their tails. Trying to crawl up Gotti's legs.
I'll just
He's like,
show you the
"Ah!"
cat, the little
I'd go in
Little
the
cat.
trailer with a 2x4.